Hello Art 1 students, this is Mrs. Dittawick. I'm going to be teaching a series of line drawings this week. We are going to utilize the learning of line, the element of line and the element of shape that we've been learning about for the past month or so, and we're going to pull them together and learn how to do 4 different kinds of line drawings this week. The first drawing that we're going to do is a contour line drawing. A contour line drawing is a drawing that shows a smooth outline showing the inner and outer edges of an object. So the first object we're going to do here is a pear. And we're going to learn about a couple of different things. We're going to learn about observing. So we're going to be observing the objects that we're looking at while we're drawing, and we're also going to be learning about your point of view. Your point of view is the angle from which you view an object. If we were all in the classroom sitting around the tables with the still life in the middle, and we were drawing that, everybody in the room would have a different point of view. For this drawing, we're all going to have the same point of view because I'm going to be posting pictures for you to draw. But just realize that if we were in the room, everyone would have a different point of view. So we're going to start with a pear. Notice I've already labeled my paper contour line drawing. And remember, a contour line drawing is a smooth outline around the inner and outer edges of an object. So what you'll do is you choose a part of your object to draw, and you'll choose a spot on your paper to start. What I'd also like you to think about is trying to draw as large as you can on the paper. So we're going to try to teach you how to use more and more of your paper. Our goal is to use at least 75% of our paper when we're finished with all of these drawings. So I'm going to find a place on my pear to start. And then I'm going to make a slow because you're observing the pear while you're drawing. So you need to take your time and do that. And bring my line back up. I'm using a marker for this so you can see better. You can use a marker or a pen, it doesn't matter. But I do want you to try to do this without erasing. The better you observe while you're drawing, the less you will need to erase. I would also like to add my little stem here. So I'll put my stem in there. And that would be a contour line drawing. It's just an outline. Some people will call it like a cartoon because it looks like a coloring book, that you would fill in. It's just a simple outline. All right, we're going to do one a little bit more complicated now. We're going to take our pear out and we will be doing a teapot. I can fit it all in here. All right, so the teapot, I showed you what it's going to sort of look like when you're done. Remember, you're going to be viewing this from your point of view. So right now I'm looking more down at the teapot. And so I think I'm going to start up here with this circle shape at the top of the teapot. And since I'm looking down at it, I can see a little bit of the other side. Over here and do the same thing over here. Now since I'm looking down at it, this line on the bottom is not straight across. It's not a horizontal line. It is a curved line. So I'm going to curve that line the same way that this line up here curves. It's also got this little lip on the bottom. I will add that for some extra detail. Contour drawings don't mean you don't put the detail in. The detail makes them really interesting. And then we can put the spout on here. Notice I'm also not really worried about the over and underlapping of the lines right now. And then we've got the beginning of the handle. and my handle is going to go off of the paper. That is called bleeding off of the paper. And then over here I've got the other side of the handle. And that would be a contour line drawing of the teapot. I didn't really get, I guess I could see a little bit of this handle down here. I didn't really get to do much of the black part of the handle because it's sort of covered up here, but maybe yours will fit on the paper a little bit more. So that would be a contour line drawing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post 2 pictures of objects on this assignment, and I would like you to draw each of those using a contour line drawing. I would also like you to write on your sketchbook paper contour line drawing and the definition, which is smooth outline showing the inner and outer edges of an object, to help you remember the difference in all of these line drawings that we're going to do. In order to save paper, and since these are simple drawings, you can use the front and back of your sketchbook page. And when you submit these to your assignment, please make sure you submit both pictures to the same assignment for the contour line drawing. Okay guys, happy drawing. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.